They say Maypen ain't no playpen. This saying is taken as Maypen is a dangerous place full of crime and bad people. But let's take those same words and shine some light on them. Maybe instead, Maypen ain't no playpen simply means that despite the obstacles thrown in their way, or despite the opportunity not handed to the people of the community, they will still be able to beat the odds and rise up and become agents of change on a mission to change the world, giving to their community the things they were never given. So yes, Maypen ain't no playpen, because they are forced to be taken seriously, and despite any difficulties, they will rise and find a way. Sometimes in life we need to take what is said and meant to be a negative and turn it into a positive. So the term Maypen ain't no playpen may have been used to speak to the violence and things that a lot of people don't understand about the community. But like Ross Pizzle and others are showing us, the term simply means Maypen is a force to be reckoned with. That despite the negative aim towards this community, the people were able to take that and become agents of change, fighting for the good and fighting for each other to rise and change the world. So Maypen is indeed not a playpen. Just look at what they were able to accomplish with what was given to them.